down space and Muhammad Ali. They looked at me and they wanted to fight. All of the sudden somebody said, I think Patchy Patch, he might be dead. If you're a stick-up kid, be sure to hear. If you go with the penalties a year, who made the laws? The people I present. It's the mayor, the governor, the president. Some say the president is the evil man because he's the man with the master plan. He passes crazy laws that you must obey, and if you violate, you face a DA. Now he's the man that's serving you time. Come on, everybody, make it come alive. It's not David, don't socialize. Clean out your ears and open your eyes. I'm the PATCH. Motherfuckers don't know. Come down the block with the cage. DMX type of shit. I make back and forth and back. Flip this shit around. Yo, we not the walk. Yo, TWT in the motherfucking house. TBB is in the house. Yeah. Fahrenheit, having you know, we take you way high, motherfuckers to the sky.
GWT in the place to be. CWD, it's Mr. Scream with the king from the motherfucking 303. And we don't stop, we just keep rocking things. You wanna get with this, boy, you get this. Cause you want but come through, come up short. Cause I come through, what back in, what forth. Cause I'm from the north and what, of course, I be the best. No contest, fuck the rest. Come through, what, blazing just like my sis. Amia, I be a, what on the mix, wanna get with me, boy, I fucking represent to the fullest. Do this, what on the daily, crazy, world dominating, players, what be hating, but I come through, what facing, what elimination, never what pacing, full striding, no siding, but I'm priding, as we riding down the block, got the Glock, and it's cocked, ready for action, packing, never lacking, what motherfuckers knowing that I've been backing up the street, Mr. S to C, R double E to the M to the K I N G, do it, what, every day, motherfuckers, what, we don't even play, Mr. Clay.
75.